There is nothing quite as annoying as a cold winter morning when you are running late and your diesel engine refuses to fire up, leaving you staring at a glow plug light that just won't go out. If you scan the system and see the P03A2 code, it means there is a malfunction in your glow plug heater, circuit B. Think of your glow plugs like the heating elements in a toaster, but for your cylinders. They have to get glowing red hot within seconds to create enough heat for the diesel fuel to ignite under compression when the block is freezing cold. When the powertrain control module detects a fault in circuit B, it means either the wiring is messed up, the relay has clicked its last click, or the glow plug itself has burnt out like an old light bulb. You will notice the engine takes forever to start, and when it finally does, it might cough out a cloud of white smoke and make some scary rattling noises until it warms up. To fix this without wasting money, you need to start at the fuse box because a simple blown fuse for the glow plug module is a very cheap and easy win if the fuses are good. Use your digital volt ohm meter to check the resistance of the glow plugs themselves by touching one lead to the top terminal and the other to the engine block. If you see a reading that is way outside the manufacturer's spec or shows an open circuit, that specific plug is dead. When you go to replace them, be extremely careful not to snap them off in the cylinder head, as that turns a $50 repair into a $1,000 nightmare. I always recommend using a bit of penetrating oil and letting it soak before you even try to turn them. If the plugs and wiring look perfect, then your glow plug relay or the control module is likely the problem. But always test the simple stuff first, because a loose ground wire or a corroded nut on the glow plug bus bar is often the hidden culprit behind this annoying cold start struggle.